In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Tasks. Backing up important data is a standard procedure for anyone who relies on digital tools for their day-to-day activities. Google Tasks is one such tool that, while simple, plays a pivotal role in managing our daily to-dos and ensuring we stay on track with our obligations. Recognizing the importance of preserving this information, today we're going to navigate through the process of backing up your Google Tasks, ensuring that you never have to worry about losing your important tasks again. Let's begin by heading over to Google. It's the gateway to accessing all the services Google offers, including Google Tasks. Once you're on Google's homepage, the first step is to ensure that you're signed into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure you enter the email associated with the Google Tasks you wish to back up. After entering your email, proceed by entering your password on the next page. This is a critical step for authenticating your identity and safeguarding your data. After you have carefully entered your password, it's time to click on the Next button. This action verifies your credentials and logs you into your Google account. With successful login, you're now ready to access the wealth of services provided by Google, one of which is Google Tasks. Now navigate to the Google dashboard. The Google dashboard is sort of a command center that gives you access to all your Google services in one place. Once there, look for Gmail. This might seem slightly off track, but Google Tasks is intricately linked with Gmail, hence the pathway through it. Clicking on Gmail will lead you to your inbox, which houses more than just your emails. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a few icons, including one for Google Tasks. Don't hesitate to click on the Google Tasks icon, which will bring up your list of tasks on the right side of your screen. Your tasks are now in view, and you're just a few clicks away from successfully backing them up. Look for the three-dot icon nearby. This is usually located at the top or bottom of your task list. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options, one of which is Save. Click on Save to initiate the backup process. At this stage, you will be prompted to choose a location on your local drive where the backup will be saved. It's advisable to select a location that is secure and easily accessible to you. This ensures not only the safety of your backed up tasks, but also ease of retrieval when needed. Choosing the save location finalizes the core process of backing up your Google Tasks. You've essentially created a copy of your tasks that resides safely on your local drive. This protective measure shields you against potential data loss that might occur due to unforeseen circumstances such as account issues or data corruption. A pro tip to further solidify the safety of your tasks is to regularly update your backup. This ensures that any new tasks or modifications to existing ones are captured. Additionally, consider leveraging cloud storage options as a secondary backup location. This provides an extra layer of security and ensures that your tasks are accessible from any device, anytime, provided you have internet access. In conclusion, backing up your Google Tasks is a straightforward yet essential process that safeguards your valuable data. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your tasks, be they personal errands or work-related projects, are always within reach and never lost to the digital void. Remember, the key to data security is regular maintenance, thus make it a habit to back up your tasks periodically. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Stay organized and secure with your digital data.